take away from love the fullness of self-surrender, the completeness of personal commitment, and what remains will be a total denial and negation of it. Dear brothers and sisters, the liturgy of the day invites us to reflect on the very essence of marriage, that is unity and indissolubility. Jesus says that a man and a woman leave their parents and become one, thus forming a new family. This is a unity they form, that they no longer are two but one. The author of this unity is God Himself, because it is God who has brought them together. And once they have become one, they cannot be separated. This is indissolubility. According to Jesus, this is the plan of God from the beginning. As Youcat number 260 says, God disposes man and woman for each other so that they might be no longer two but one. In this way, they are to live in love, be fruitful, and thus become a sign of God Himself, who is nothing but overflow of love. Though this is the will of God, that a man and a woman should come together in marriage and become one, and this unity should remain till the end, He wills that this should not remain that way, not because there is no other option. The good that people see in each other when they come together should be maintained till the end. The love that they have experienced as they began to live together should be deepened day by day, not reduced. Some families lose this love and goodness, perhaps due to the lack of this awareness about the indissolubility of marriage. Youcat says that marriage is indissoluble for three reasons. Firstly, because the essence of love is mutual self-giving without reservation. Secondly, because it is an image of God's unconditional faithfulness to His creation. And thirdly, because it represents Christ's devotion to His church even unto death on the cross. In all three reasons, the virtue of love stands out. If love moves God to send His Son to save the world, and if love moved Christ to die for His bride, the church, same love should be the rule of all those who enter into any relationship, and more precisely in marital relationship. Such love involves mutual giving, mutual respect, and mutual devotion. Saint Teresa of Calcutta says, love to be real, it must cost, it must hurt, and it must empty us of self. Saint Pope John Paul II says, take away from love the fullness of self-surrender, the completeness of personal commitment, and what remains will be a total denial and negation of it. When there is such love existing between a man and a woman, where one looks for the good of the other, such marriage and family are heaven on earth for each other and for their children. Amen.